Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Jeep Wrangler soft top. First, gather all your tools, including a screwdriver, wrench, and the new soft top kit. Next, park your Jeep in a clear, flat area, ensuring you have plenty of space to work around it. Finally, take a moment to read through the new soft top's instructions completely before you begin any removal or installation steps. Now let's remove the old top. Begin by unzipping and carefully removing the rear and side windows, storing them safely to prevent damage. Next, release the tension cables, usually found along the sides, and unlatch the front header from the windshield frame. Finally, detach the old fabric from the frame and roll bars, working systematically to free it completely. With the old top off, it's time for the new one. Start by attaching the new fabric to the frame, ensuring it's centered and aligned correctly, then secure the front header to the windshield. Next, reconnect the tension cables, making sure they are taut but not overly stretched, and check for proper alignment of all components. Finally, zip in the new windows, typically starting with the rear window, then the sides. After installation, perform some final checks. Ensure all latches are securely fastened and the new top is taut, without any wrinkles or sagging. Carefully inspect for any gaps or loose areas around the seals and windows to prevent leaks. Remember, proper installation ensures longevity. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your refreshed Jeep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.